My name's David Hunter and I manage the commercial and planning sections of the horse and greyhound racing industries in WA. My specialist told me that I might be a candidate for a trial into fatty liver disease. He put me in touch with Linear and I got into the trial from there. I'd recommend it to anyone that's got some time to give something back to medical research and make a bit of money on the way through. I'm going to use the payment to put towards our trip to Europe coming up in June. The food was great. It was like being served in a restaurant every day, no cooking involved. I felt safe right throughout the trial. I didn't have any adverse effects to anything, but I felt secure in knowing that the staff would have it under control if I did have any adverse effects. So the time that I spent in the clinic gave me a great opportunity to catch up on work, watch a few movies and relax and enjoy the experience. The day starts with a sleep-in and then breakfast is all supplied, dosing mid-morning, and then the rest of the day is pretty much I spent to myself with a few blood tests and things throughout the afternoon, but generally you get most of the day to yourself when you're in the clinic. The best thing for me about the trial was feeling like I was able to help others with future treatments into the disease. My advice to anyone looking to go into a study at Linear would be to embrace the experience, make sure you bring plenty of movies to watch and work to do to fill in your days. So the consent form provides a lot of information up front so you can really understand what being in the trial involves and what side effects you may experience. Throughout the study, the doctors are great, the nurses are great in telling you what's going on, answering your questions. You feel fully informed right throughout the process. So getting on the trial was a really easy experience. I went for a screening at Harry Perkins Centre. Within a few days I had a reply from Linear to say that I'd met all the requirements, and then they scheduled the dates. The staff at Linear were great. You really felt like you were part of a family being in the clinic for the durations of the stay.